Agile methodologies, few commonly adopted frameworks globally. Agile methodologies, such as Scrum, Kanban, and Lean, provide frameworks and practices to implement agile principles effectively. These methodologies often involve daily stand-up meetings, backlog prioritization, visual task boards, and regular retrospectives to foster collaboration, transparency, and continuous learning. Benefits of embracing Agile. By embracing Agile, teams can better adapt to changing requirements, deliver value early and frequently, and foster a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.